Good afternoon, guys! Happy Sunday! Today's April 21. And, nag-ayos ako kasi plan ko mag-live while nag-i-advise kasi baka may mambudol pa tayo. And yung gamit ko lang sa aking face is yung ginagamit kong morning skincare and yung Naturactor Corrector. Basta yung concealer. No, concealer ng Naturactor. Tapos yung Tibian. Dito lang sa may melasma ko linagay. Diyan, tinakpan ko lang yung melasma ko. Tapos naglagay ang konting blush. And, pinaghalo ko yung Pouty P ng Lux Skin na lipstick and konting lip tint. So, yan yung kinalabasan. Tapos, ano pa ba linagay ko? Yun lang. Tapos, yung brush ko lang yung kilay ko. Ayan. So, hindi ako naglagay ng tinted sunscreen. Yung ginamit kong sunscreen is yung Beauty of Johnson. So, dito lang talaga ako naglagay. Dito sa area yan. Yung concealer. Dito lang. So, yun guys. And kami lang pala dito sa bahay ni Holly. Kasi kung maalala nyo si Kuya, nag-sleep over. So, hindi pa siya umuwi. And then si Sak, kanina, dinapop siya sa skate park. Then, si Jan, nag-golf. Kasi yung mga ka-berks ni Sak nasa skate park na naman. So, siguro imimit na lang din siya doon ni Kuya. So, yun guys. And, plano ko sanang magluto ng spring rolls. Kasi meron tayo dito yung spring rolls, diba? Hindi namin yan naluto kagabi. Kaso si Holly, kumain na siya ng pizza. So, siguro mamaya na lang ako magluluto. Mag-invoicing na muna ako. Kasi kailangan kong ma-ship yung ating mga napamay nung isang araw. Kasi alis kami sa Wednesday. So, kung ma-invoice ko sila and magbayad sila bukas, at least, pwede kong ma-ship Monday in the afternoon and Tuesday. Kaya, mag-invoicing na lang muna ako and dala tayo ng water. Guys, dito tayo sa car. Mag-start pa lang sana ako mag-live. Tumawag si Jan. Pick upin ko daw si Sak ng 2:30. Sabi ko, mag-start na ako mag-live. So, ngayon, 1:50 pa lang. So, tatawagan niya yung friend ni Sak kasi gumamit yata si Sak ng phone ng friend. Or si Kuya ang tumawag. Kung kasama niya si Kuya, tumawag kayo dyan. Gusto niya na magpa-pick up. Kasi ang aga niya umalis. Kanina. Mga alas 8 ata. So, siguro, he had enough na sa, sa skate park. Kaya gusto niya nang umuwi. So, pick upin lang natin si Zaki Boy. Seatbelt. Yeah. Say hi to my vlog, Baba.
Hi.
Baka mahulog kayo. Wala tayong dito. Wala akong wala ako dito guys. Yung sa car. Ang nakapatong lang kayo sa dashboard ba yan. Tapos, yung bote ng tubig. Yun yung parang nasa likod niya. Para mag-hold kayo, para hindi kayo umurong doon sa baba. Sa baba. So, pick upin lang natin. Si Jan kasi hindi pa, mamaya-maya pa raw siya.
He's playing golf.
Yeah. Sa naman siya naglaro? Sa Blue Lake. Buti nga sa Blue Lake. Kasi minsan, nagdadrive yan si Jan sa medyo malayo. Silang dalawa ni Kuya para mag-golf din. Nalilipot nila yung mga golf course dito, guys. Dito malapit sa amin. At saka kahit sa city. At kung saan-saan, di ba? Melbourne, nag-Sydney na rin sila. Okay. Uy, hindi kayo hindi kayo nag-move. Okay yung aking pangharang dyan, yung tubig. Yung aking eye bags, guys. Kung makikita nyo, nalubat na naman kayo. Nag-stop ako doon malapit sa malapit doon sa farm para magpalit ng battery. Alam nyo ba, may sira na siguro. Hindi siguro ang camera pa. Hindi siguro yung battery. Yung camera siguro ang may sira. Kasi full siya. Naka-green yung aking battery nung kinuha ko siya sa sa charger. So, nawala na naman yung ating... Saan ba ako? Yung sinasabi ko, yung eye bags ko, guys. Tignan nyo yung eye bags ko. Yung eye bags ko, feeling ko, ganyan na talaga siya ever since.
Yeah, Mom.
Kasi, yes?
We have that. There's like something.
Louder?
Order something that when you
The eye patch. Oh, narinig nyo yun?
Something that makes it come off.
I do have that one. The eye patch. Yun nga, yung aking eyebags. Ganyan siya, guys. Kasi maaga na ako natutulog.
It's not an eye patch, Mom.
Ano?
Something else.
Something else. Okay, I'll find it. Show me when we get home.
So on YouTube.
It's on YouTube. Okay. So, may eye patch naman ako. Pero, nakuha ko siguro to sa mama ko. Kasi ang mama ko, ganyan din yung mata niya. Ganyan din yung kanyang, ano dito, yung, yan, parang medyo, ano siya, maga. Kasi maaga na rin naman ako natutulog, guys. At saka, ngayong holiday, sobra-sobra pa ang aking, ano, tulog. Kasi hindi ako, no, I can't, Baba, because there's an incoming car. Hindi ako maaga nagigising ngayon. Oops. Hindi ako maaga nagigising ngayon. Hindi tulad nung, may school. Gising tayo ng maaga, pero nagnanap ako. Ngayon, ang tulog ko 8 to 9. So, hindi ako puyat. Siguro, late man ako matulog dahil nanonood ako ng K-drama. Pero yung tulog ko, 7 to 8 hours pa din. Lalo na ngayong holiday. So, yun. Malapit na tayo dito kay Zaki Boy. Ang gloomy na naman ng weather, guys. Paano na talaga to? Papunta na tong winter. Kasi madilim-dilim lagi ang langit, hindi tulad noon. Oops, tinitingnan ko, baka mahulog kayo. Maliwanag. Tingnan nyo, 1:57 na. Madilim, diba? Hindi nyo makita yung clouds.
We're picking up Quizak because I left at 9 o'clock.
No, they left 8, Baba. We're still in bed. Kasi nagpaalam sila eh. Inalakyan kami ni Sak. Alam niyo naman si Sak, hindi yan umaalis kahit tulog tayo. Umalik siya. Tapos si Jan din.
Always wake up very early.
Very early sila.
We're
Kasi,
still in bed.
yeah, we're still in bed. Kami ni Holly, nag-sleep in kami. Hindi kami gumigising na maaga.
I was so tired, Mom.
You're tired? We woke up like late. I know.
That's why I said I was so tired.
O dito, madaming tao sa sa bay ngayon. There's lots of people today. Baba, look at the park.
No, like every time I'm there.
No one. I know. You're not there. There's a lots of kids. Madaming tao ngayon doon sa sa park. Saan na si John? Si Johnny. Ang daming tao ngayon, guys. Hindi lang makita. Mamaya, pablogin natin si Sak. Pablogin si Sak. Ayan, nakikita ko madami ring tao sa skate park. May araw dito sa skate park, guys. Oh. Okay. Ayan si Sak. Ayan na ang Saki Boy. Naka-jumper siya. Scooter lang pala dala niya, hindi yung bike. Kala ko dala niya rin yung bike. Yung mga friends niya, bike yung mga dala. So, naghihiraman lang din sila. Ha? Ayan na si Sak. Who's that one?
Mitch.
Ah, Mitch. Is he going home?
No, they're gone.
Ah, they're going too?
Yep.
Where's Kuya TJ?
Fishing.
Fishing? Oh, with who?
Riley. Everyone.
Everyone. Oh, nahihilig si Kuya mag-fishing. Nahihilig siya mag-fish. Wait lang, ayusin ko yung Bye, Mitch! Hindi pala si Kuya ang tumawag kay Johnny Boy. Brock called Daddy, right? Your dad. So, you use the phone? Or Brock called Johnny Boy?
No, I used the phone.
You borrowed the phone. Yeah. And guys, Zachary and Holly have something to tell you.
We're going to the Philippines this year, and I'm so excited.
Yes.
Try McDonald's
Finally.
And Jollibee.
Oh, hindi na siya makapaghintay kumain ng Jollibee and McDonald's. Alam niyo naman si Sak, hindi yan kumakain ng McDonald's dito. So yeah, abangan mo kami, mother. Uwi kami ng Pinas. I-surprise kaya kita. So yan guys, basta uwi kami ng Pinas this year. Abangan niyo yung mga susunod namin na vlog. Kasi yeah, marami kaming plans this year. So ngayon, where we going?
Philippines.
No. Now.
Thai.
Gusto nilang pumunta ng Thai.
It's even open if
If it's full, I think it's full because there's a lot of people.
I think it shuts at 4 o'clock.
Yeah, it's too early. It's only 2 o'clock. Okay.
Let's go.
So, yun. Punta muna kami ng Tide kasi...
Zach, are you getting that waffle?
What are you gonna get?
Waffle.
Waffle.
I knew he was gonna get the waffle. Oh, Mom, I think.
And si Kuya, yun nga, nagfi-fishing daw si Kuya.
Can I? Waffle.
No, I already tried.
Because Zach, is the waffle very
Wala kasi
good?
tayong pang-mount dito ng camera sa car. Watch my camera, Nak.
You're putting it right at the edge.
I know. This is, I think I'm gonna go. This is too high. It's too high. So, yeah, matagal tayong hindi nakapag-Pinas. And finally, this year, uwi tayo. Oops. Maybe this one, it's alright here. Any cars?
No, yes.
Yes?
Yes. Oh, now you're good.
I'm good? You sure?
Yes, it's 10.
Watch my camera, Zach. Watch my camera. Ang galing ng aking water bottle. Water bottle lang yung kasangga nyo dyan, guys.
Can I get a
Kasangga. Ang nag-hold sa inyo.
Mom, can I get a waffle and that thing that I had last night, that yo-yo?
The yo-yo.
I want the waffle and one yo-yo.
Oh, gusto niyo
It's
na?
good, Zach, but I don't think you would like it.
How big is the waffle? Is it big?
Are you gonna get that banana bread, Mom?
I don't know. I don't.
Crispy, soft.
I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see. I like the hot chocolate. Masarap yung hot chocolate nila.
The thick shakes are the best.
Are you gonna get the strawberry?
This time I'm gonna get vanilla.
Vanilla. Alright.
Vanilla's bad. I had the vanilla. It was so good.
You had it before with Auntie Mel. Kasi sila before nila Auntie Mel, si Zach, there's no park. Where are we gonna park? Can you check if there's any table for us? Check. I'm gonna drive slowly. Check. You don't have to remove your Anna, we're good. But where are we gonna park? We have to find here. Oh no, that's for disabled. Put your seatbelt, Zach, please. Madami kasi ngayong tao. Where are we gonna
Park
park?
at the library and then we'll
Wait lang guys, hanap lang kami ng parking. Medyo matao kasi ngayon. Napunta na kami dito sa wall wash, guys. Wala kang mahanap na parking.
So turning around.
Yeah, so sana may mga umalis na. Hindi pa nakapag-drive pa tayo dito. Tingnan nyo guys. There's any there sa?
That goes back for that.
Oh, here. Wait. Okay. Wag dito. Malayo to sa Tide. Hanap tayo doon sa medyo malapit. Medyo malayo-layo yun guys. Doon yun sa kung saan naglaro si Holly. Ayun, may umalis.
Just park at
Ayan, may paalis. Ayan. Perfect. Ayan yung Tide. Ito na tayo. Hindi ko dala yung phone kasi wala kaming planong pupunta dito sa Tide. Kaso nagyaya etong dalawa. Hala, wala akong phone. First time kong... Yeah, okay. Wait, baba. Gusto ko saan tawagan si Kuya kung gusto niya rin pumunta dito. Pero, sure, hindi yun. Kasi nasa ano siya. Nasa pag-fishing siya with friends. Same spot.
Yep, same shot name you.
Medyo matao ngayon. Oh, daming langaw. Matao ngayon. Meron naman silang iba ditong cupcakes. Yesterday yung ano dito, diba? Croissant. Yung may cream. And ayan, gusto raw ni Holly ng mini yo-yo. Iba na yung ano, yung filling. And one yo-yo, please. And ham and cheese croissant. Thank you. Thank you. What was that? It's alright. Sana siya na lang daw nagbayad ng drinks niya dito. You can have it. Just, can you put it in your pocket? No, you might forget it. Okay, put it in here. No, put it in here because... Oh my God. So, si Zach, kumuha siya. Tell them what you got. What you ordered. Huh?
And the caramel see thick shake.
Tell them what you ordered.
I want to thick. I said thick shake.
Okay, I will ask.
No.
Do you want me to change it? You're sure? I don't think so. They make it already. No, I don't think so. Do you want me to say something? No? Alright. And Holly.
I got kids waffle, vanilla milkshake and kids, and I got a mini yogurt.
Again.
Again.
But different feeling.
It has brains on it. Feel like minty.
Thank you.
Can I have the marshmallow?
Later, Baba. Ayan. Yeah, hot chocolate. Mas malaki yung kinuha ko this time compare kahapon.
Good?
Yeah. Kahapon kami lang dalawa. Ngayon, nandito na si Sa. Hopefully si Kuya next time. Si Kuya kasi may sarili na siyang ano guys. May sarili na siyang mga lakad din. Nice one? Nice.
Very frosty too.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good now. Sandy, madaming tao.
Mom, remember when I ordered 3 on the yo-yos and it only gave me 1?
I know.
The caramel milkshake?
Okay, thank you. And then caramel. Okay, I know. Caramel milkshake for that is good. Oh yeah, it's too sweet. This is good too, Baba. It's just vanilla. Okay, cheers. Sarap. I like it, but it's too sweet. Is that what you're looking for? Is that what you're looking for?
You want to
No?
thick shake?
I like milkshake because you can sip it easily than thick shake.
I'm gonna get another one.
You're gonna get another one? You will. Bibili pa siya. Kasi meron siyang pera eh.
Oh, Mom, this gonna be so good.
Good.
Who's better, Chris X or mine?
Where's Kuya?
Mom, who's the
Thank you. Okay, thank you. May wala sila dito. Yung pot nila may may pa-design na ayan, lemon, strawberries, and avocado. Ang cute! Very aesthetic dito.
Some of nice.
Yeah, and may pa-heart.
Oh, I made one of them.
You made one? And it's smart.
Yeah, it was kind of bad. Mom, whose is better, Chris X or mine?
Both. It depends. Wala pa yung food natin. Maubos ko na yung ating hot chocolate. Wala na.
What you get, Mom?
Mag-order na dito sa
What you get?
ang person.
Oh, yeah. What's your
Tell them you want the other thick shake. Maybe the thick shake is different price. Just bring thick. Ubus yan na. You're eating now. Yes, please. Thank you.
And me.
So, nagbagong isip niya ng kanin. Oh my God. Okay. Please, thank you. Dito na yung akin. You like it? Come on. Siya inside it's dirty. Medyo madumi.
My body get up.
Try ko tayong linisan, kaso madumi pa din. Parang hindi siya nahugasan ng maayos. Meron pa kami nita yung yo-yo ni Small.
Where's my yo-yo?
Yeah, yung maliit na yo-yo, $3 pala yun. Kasi yung yo-yo.
Two brothers. I got that acronym from Sri Lanka. And I got them
Hindi siya nila ngayon. They're cool. Yesterday?
When I went to Sri Lanka, you saw all them and I love them.
Next summer, try it, please.
I'm shading you, Mum. You're in my shadow. You can't see you. I'm like blocking you out. When you made me stand in front of you. Half I look like a giant. You're in the shadow. What's happening? My mum made me stand right.
What else did you do here? What else did you do here? This morning. Did you go to the library? Did you go? What did you do in the library? Sit down and talk? Just the three of you, Mitch and Bro? Did you see TJ today? Did he hang out with you? Yeah? Before they go fishing?
The changes in the light, so you can either children or look more
Is
they know the
Kate here too? So Kate is fishing with TJ. What? Was? It was?
Well, the vacuum did really well first and then shampooed it up.
Did you try fishing? Where did you get the fishing
I
rod?
couldn't notice it, but Mum was carrying the hat.
From people? Kasi walang dala si Kuyang fishing rod kagabi.
It's good to get it. Apart from the dressing table, which wasn't
Si Ma'am.
yeah, you like sitting that way.
No, I don't want to. Too
It's
sweet.
nice the ladies' chair size, I think. That's like 4 months ago. Also, we just
I don't like the syrup.
swatch. We didn't actually see the chair itself.
Did you put the syrup, Papa? Why? It's good with syrup. I really like syrup. What else are you looking forward to when you go to the Philippines? Aside from Jollibee, McDonald's, what else? Huh? Slide? Water slide.
It's a super comfortable recliner that goes back. Just comes with a chair. and it puts and then you can just sit on the couch chair as well. Not the new one. You just lay back and recline without the hips on that, so you can just do a parquet lie there. So you push the banking without putting on the Who was there the other day that I saw Mary? Boston Mary, not
Hindi na ako nakapag-live. Baka ako na lang dito.
I say that in a nice
Hindi na tayo nakapag-live and invoice eh.
Mary Ann, she came and she sat there and I sat with my feet up and it was so comfortable.
Probably say if they don't want to come on.
Huh?
Probably say if they don't want to come on.
You wanna ask him?
It's also
Do you wanna buy
getting out of the chair at 10 o'clock at night when you're asleep. The other chair is going to the table.
I don't have my phone.
And mum's almost like being cocooned in it. It's too hard to get out.
May pera yun si Kuya. So, bibili na lang yun ng lunch sa ano? Sa Ben.
Very, very
Jimmy go.
This is Boston anyway. She goes, well, I'll take the point. My mum's going, I've got a lift chair. She goes, you don't need that. You should be getting up and standing up. I'll show you what to do.
Unlock the camera.
Where are you going? Ask Kuya? Why you unlock the car?
Safety.
Mum wasn't asleep.
Magra-ride siya ng scooter?
Also, she had the bad shoulders.
Huh? No, in the car. So, Alice is at? Okay. Skate park? Where's DJ fishing? Ay, si Sa! Ayun si Kuya. Oh, Kuya's there. Oh. Ask him now. Hurry up. Hindi ako makita ni Kuya. Ayun si Kuya. Oh. Ayun si Kuya na. Tsaka yung friend niya. Pupunta sana si Sa doon kung saan nag-fishing si Kuya para tanungin niya kung gusto niya nang umuwi. E tamang-tama, nakita namin si Kuya habang kumakain dito. So, tanong na lang ni Sa, hindi na siya pupunta doon kasi kung saan natin siya pinick up, doon sa kung saan natin kinita si Jan, isang araw, doon nag-fishing si Jan. Ayan, tapos na siya, hindi niya naubos. Okay, tapos na kami dito. Ubusin ko lang itong hot chocolate. Sure, ano na, seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
So, what Kuya TJ said, he don't want to come home yet?
No, he's going to Cade's.
He's going back to Kate's house.
Yep. He's going to pick up at 4.
4. Oh, babalik si Kuya doon sa kanyang friend.
That's when
Kung saan siya sleep over. Magpapapick up daw siya 4 pa. Si Daddy na magpipick up sa kanya. Any car, Sak? I couldn't see.
honestly.
Me either.
Hang on, I can check, Mum.
Check it, Baba. No. Can you check?
Let's see. I'll take off my seatbelt.
Any cars, Baba?
No.
Yes. Yes?
Wait.
Okay. Kasi medyo ano, blind spot to eh. Ayun na nga, meron.
Waiting.
Another car?
This one.
And si Sak gustong pumunta sa ano, sa
Keep waiting, keep waiting.
Bay Shop. What you gonna get there, Sak?
But we're not going there.
We're not going there now?
But yeah. I'm just getting something.
What?
Just getting something.
Ollie,
It'll be 5 seconds, I promise.
any cars, Baba? Yeah,
can
there's a
see
lot of
there.
cars. Yeah, but I couldn't see from there.
Okay, go.
Go? Sure?
Just go, flatten it. You can just see from there.
No.
Yeah.
No. Only at the back, but the incoming one, I couldn't.
Would you say, Mom?
Thank you.
Right?
I'm concentrating, Baba, here. Do they have any shortcut here to go to the shop?
Yup.
Zach? Oh, no.
Yes.
Busy talaga ngayon dito. Ang daming cars.
What this used to be called? Not in
Ngayon may araw na. Kanina ang gloomy.
Periwinkles. That used to be called
Yeah, periwinkles. Now salt.
Salt. Why did it change?
New owner.
Should've went.
No. New owner.
I like periwinkles better.
I know.
Yeah, I do.
Yung masarap tong shop.
It's called
Ay! Yung aking ano sa aking... Put it here, Zach.
cold salt because every single food has salt on it. No, it doesn't. Well, that could be one.
Mag-shortcut dito.
Yep. Because I can you buy me a
This is one way? I think so.
Yep. Because I can you buy me a lolly?
Ay, yung ating... Umaalog-alog kayo. Yung periwinkles, masarap ang mga pagkain doon. Ngayon, iba na kasi yung may-ari. Salt. Hindi pa namin na-try. Baka one day, we might go there, Holly.
Where?
Salt. We're gonna try their food. We haven't tried it since they changed the management.
Why can I get a lolly, Krizak?
Ito na yung dalawa. Kuha lang sila ng lollies. Yung tayo ng tubig. Ito yung aking panangga dito sa inyo, guys. So, para mag-hold kayo. Ganyan lang siya. Meron tayong Nurofen dito. Wala na tong laman. Nahulog ko yung ano, yung ano niya. Yung takip. Matatapon to. May empty bottles ba dito? Ayun, meron. Yung friend ni Kuya, kung saan natulog si Kuya, hindi siya malayo dito sa bay, pero outside siya sa bay. Gets nyo ba? Nasa highway siya, tapos meron pa siyang iskinita na papasukan. So, yeah. Ayaw pang sumama ni Kuya, ayaw niya pang umuwi. So, yun ang mga ganap nila ngayong school holiday. Then, Wednesday, alis tayo kasi wedding ni Emma sa Saturday. So Wednesday kami aalis kasi kasama din natin sila Kylie. So parang school holiday na rin namin. School holiday. Vacation namin with Joe. And then si Joe din kasi pupunta rin siya, sasama siya kay Jan sa Live Golf sa Adelaide. Manunood din si Joe. Kasi ngayon, nawiwili si Joe mag-golf. Ayan na yung dalawa. Mga dala-dala nila.
Can you give me my lolly now, Krizak?
What's wrong?
It equals $6 straight away. I know, because I did my math. Can I have my lolly?
$6? You spent $6? What you gonna say to Kuya Sak?
Thank you, Krizak.
What you gonna say, Kuya Sak? What you gonna say after thank you?
Oh, you're welcome.
What you got?
So I
What's that one? Candy what?
Super sour double drop.
My God, too much sugar today, Sak. The drink. Yeah, what do you call that? Candy?
I got sours.
Sours?
Super double drop.
Hindi siya sours. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, these aren't sour. They're not. They taste good.
Nah, I don't like it. Okay. So, can you unscrew the empty bottle there and put it here because I dropped the cover for this one. Yeah, thank you. Ayan, may empty bottles. Buti na may empty bottles tayo dito. Thank you. Kayo. Diba? Okay.
What are you reading first? Straight into
Hindi na
this.
tayo. And right away mag-live ako, guys. Nandun kaya hindi ko dala yung aking phone kasi naka-set up na yung ating isang phone doon.
Did you go live?
I was before Daddy rang me to pick you up.
Live?
To pick you up.
Are you gonna go live?
Yeah, I'm gonna do live.
Okay.
Naka-set up na yung ating phone kaya wala tayong phone today.
Thanks, Mom, for taking us to try and taking us to the shops.
No worries.
Thanks, Mom.
Welcome. What are you doing, you two? Yan yung, ganyan yung ano
See,
niya.
this sour double drop. See?
Double drop.
See? See?
May paganyan siya, guys. Kaya pala, gano'n na lang yung pagnanga ni Kuya Sak. Ito pa yung box, guys. Hindi ko pa nabubuksan. And yung phone na dalawa nandito na, guys. Kaya hindi ko siya nadala. Ayan. Yung dalawang saya doon, narinig nyo. So, la-live ako while nag-i-invoicing. Yan, naman yan sa, sa Messenger. And, yeah. Invoice muna tayo. Ano na guys, 5:07 na. Nakalimutan ko yung oras. Biglang out ako sa live. Kasi sabi ko magluluto pa ako. Wala pa si Jan. And pagdating niya, wala pa tayong dinner. And meron tayong mga nabudol pa guys. Ayan. Mga nabudol ko pa habang nag-invoicing. Mas madami yung nabudol ko kaysa nagawa kong invoicing. So, ayan. So, marami pa. And yun mga nakabox na yon. And ayan. Thank you sa mga nag-mine. So, magluto muna ako kasi parating na yun si Johnny Boy. So, nagsaing muna ako. Yung lulutuin natin, guys, hindi yung barbecue steak. Ito daw. Ayan. Yung ating sausages. And si Zach, gusto niya yung ating... Ay! Kasi kahapon, diba, trinay niya dito. Gusto nila to guys. So, lulutuin ko rin lahat to. Yung ating vegetable spring rolls na may konting mince. And, ano pa ba? Yeah, and hindi ko alam kung makakabili siya ng bread. Kasi wala na akong bread sa freezer. Hindi rin ako makakapag-mashed potato kasi ubos na yung gatas namin. May potatoes tayo pero wala kaming gatas. And naubusan din ako ng... Hindi ko alam, wala na pala kami yung long life na gatas. Nag-stock ako ng long life kasi yung mga bata, umiinom sila lagi ng gatas. So, pati yun, ubos na. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung partner ni Jan dito sa sausages natin. So, magluluto akong sausages and eggs. Okay, mainit na yung ating kawali. Ating spring rolls dito sa kabila. Hindi pa siya ganun kainit. Hintayin natin siyang uminit. Kayo ba guys, parang luluto, punas din ba kayo ng punas? Ako, ganyan na ako. Punas ako ng punas. Minsan napapaso na ako sa pag pinupunasan ko yung gilid. Babalik ako sa live. After ko sila magluto at mapakain sila. Tapos na ako magluto. Ayan, luto na yung ating sausages. And yung ating eggs, ayan. Ito kay Sak. Tinanggal ko yung yolk. Linagay ko dito kay Kuya. Pero wala pa dito si Kuya. And yung ating rice 4 minutes. And alam nyo ba yung ating spring rolls pumuto kasi dapat kahapon dapat ito niluto. Nag-soft na yung kanyang wrapper. Kaya ayan, pumutok. Pero sabi ni Sak, okay pa din. Kumain siya kanina. Trinayin niya. So, yeah. Pakainin ko na yung dalawa pag natapos to. Yung dalawa lang yung kakain kasi si Kuya wala pa dito. And tinawagan ko si Jan. Nandun pa rin siya sa Blue Lake kasi may golf presentation. So, luto na rin yung ating kanin. Narinig nyo, very, cute lang yung sound niya. Ayan, kinakain pa rin nila kahit ang pangit ng ating spring rolls. Lumabas na yung mga laman yan. Okay. And yung pizza, andito pa din. Ayan na lang, wala na. So, tinakpan ko muna sila ng aluminum foil para mainit pa siya mamaya. Dito na si Kuya! Turn si Daddy.
Since when? Like 10 minutes ago.
Why isn't the heater on? Hot share.
Aalis si Jan ulit. Magpapa-hair and color siya kay Kylie. So, i-add ko na yung vlog, guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Gusto sumahan ni Zach, pero sabi dyan, wag na. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next. Where are you, Zach? Vlog.
It's not even there.
Good night, ya. Kinakain niya muna yung pizzang tira. Good night, guys.